It is with great pride and honor that I present to you the candidates for graduation of the Bachelor of Science in Architecture program, second semester, school year 2021-2022. Amoya, Mary Joy R. Angusta, Trisha Joy V. Architecture Society Officer, 4th year and 5th year representative. Bautista Genesis Grace P. Bo Harold Marvin P. Cruz Jordan Ivan Grigory Stanley C. Fascia Basketball Tournament 2020 finalist. Taganyo Vincent A. Bailey Wenny Rose E.
Miss, pwede yung paki-picture
De La Rosa Tatiana
yung screen
Jewel
na may
R.
pag Jamie Ruth Matienzo.
Ano pong apelyido?
Jamie Ruth Matienzo.
Diaz Lloydson S.
Wala pa.
Dote Alvin Angelo P.
M. Pashay
Fascia
Matienzo.
Basketball Tournament 2020
Siya na po ba
finalist.
yan?
Oo.
Gonzalez Tony Rose C. Guy Erickson Julius Ray B. Lalata Wilfred Anthony R. Magdutay Carlo C.
Ganun mo lang yung screen mamaya. Yan. Yan.
Malon Princess Diane M. CAT Women's Basketball 2019 Champion. Marikina Lester John A.
Ayan na, malapit na.
Marquez Anan James H. Matienzo Jamie Ruth I.
Yay!
Wait lang kayo.
Medina Hassan C.
Malabo.
Dale. Ayun na.
Osilios Demuel B. Pamplona JV O.
Siya na kuna nagbaw.
Pelicano
Thank you.
Resty A. Ramos Arman J. M. Fascia Basketball Tournament 2020 finalist. Rosando Myron Millones M. Rojas Jerry Nicole N. CAE Women's Basketball 2019 Champion. Salonga Jonalyn R. Sanchez Zarina G. M. Santos Butori N. Torio Luis M. Tulaylay Ariel T. Bueno Yuko M. And last but not the least, Soleta Joshua D. Congratulations, architecture.
Yehey! Congrats, anak! Congrats, baby!
Ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor to present to you the graduate in Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, Abinales